Hi, we're gonna talk today. We're gonna talk about how to pronounce some plosive consonants. Me and my classmate Nava, gonna talk about it, and are three ways to pronounce it, like bilabial, bilar, and velar. And bilabial has two letters, like it's P and B, and Nava talk about some examples about this.
Okay. The example is be, be,
B.
be. Boring, bilingual, beige. Okay. Next, P. So, perfect for the practice.
Practice. Okay. How you wanna see it for pronunciate that words? You can your lips. You're gonna touch and press it together like this. And the second words are alveolar. It's D and T. And well, Nava.
The example, así como dog, dance, side. Next, the
T.
for example, testing, talk, teach.
Words, your tongue, it's gonna touch your paladar and like or your teeth. Your tongue needs to touch your teeth like this. And for the final words, the pillar with letters G and keep and well.
Okay, es como, como
Like a cat, like an angry cat.
for example, great, game, game, galaxy, and next, con,
K is cup.
con la K, for example, kitchen, keep, ignore.
And knock. And well, that's all for our part. And well, thank you. I hope this will serve you in the future. And well, thank you. Bye.